Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anisada. Today we are going on an exciting journey into the world of ecosystems, one of the most important and fascinating topics in biology. Whether you're a student, nature lover, or just curious about how life works, this video will help you understand how living things and their environment connect in amazing ways. So, what exactly in an ecosystem? Simply put, an ecosystem is a community of living organisms interacting with each other and with their physical environment. This includes plants, animals, fungi, bacteria, water, air, soil, sunlight, everything, and it all works together like a giant complex web. Let's start by breaking down the components of an ecosystem. We have two main parts. For the first, biotic components. These are the living things like plants, animals, fungi, and microorganisms. And the second, abiotic components. These are the non-living parts such as sunlight, temperature, water, air, minerals, and so on. Both biotic and abiotic components are essential because they influence each other constantly. For example, sunlight provides energy that plants use to make food, and the soil provides nutrients that support plant growth. Okay, next. Speaking of plants, they are called producers because they produce their own food through a process called photosynthesis. Using sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water, plants create glucose, a type of sugar that fuels their growth. This process is the foundation of almost every ecosystem because it provides energy for all other living things. Then we have consumers, which are organisms that eat other living things. Consumers can be herbivores or plant eaters, carnivores or meat eaters, or omnivores or eat both plants and animals. For example, a rabbit is a herbivore while a fox is a carnivore. Then there are decomposers like fungi and bacteria. These tiny but mighty organisms break down dead plants and animals, recycling nutrients back into the soil. Without the composers, ecosystems would be overwhelmed with waste, and nutrients would not be available for new life. All these interactions form what we call a food chain, a linear sequence showing who eats whom. But in reality, ecosystems are more complex with many food chains interconnected to form a food web. This web shows the multiple feeding relationships between organisms, making ecosystems more stable and resilient. Let's look at a real life example. A pond ecosystem. The water, sunlight, and minerals are abiotic factors. You'll find algae and aquatic plants acting as producers. Tiny insects and small fish are consumers, while bacteria and fungi serve as decomposers. Each organism plays a role in maintaining balance. For instance, algae produce oxygen and food, while fish control insect populations. Energy flows through ecosystems in a one way stream, starting from the sun to producers and then to various levels of consumers. This flow is often illustrated as an energy pyramid, where energy decreases at each higher tropic level because some energy is lost as heat. This explains why there are usually fewer top predators than plants or herbivores. But ecosystems are fragile. Human activities such as deforestation, pollution, climate change, and introduction of invasive species can disrupt these delicate balances. For example, removing a top predator can cause prey populations to explode, which might overconsume plants and damage the habitat. Pollution can contaminate water and soil, harming organisms and reducing biodiversity. Climate change alters temperature and weather patterns, affecting species survival and migration. Protecting ecosystems is not just about saving animals and plants, it's about preserving the natural surfaces that sustain life on Earth, including clean air, water, and fertile soil. So, what can we do to help? Here are a few simple steps. 1. Support conservation efforts and protected areas. 2. Reduce waste and recycle to minimize pollution. 3. Use sustainable products that don't harm ecosystems. And last, learn and spread awareness about the importance of the biodiversity. Next time you're outside, take a moment to observe the amazing interactions happening all around you, from the tiniest insect to the tallest tree. Remember, every organism has a role in the ecosystem, and we're all connected in this web of life. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more biology and nature content and share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. What ecosystem fascinates you the most? I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next adventure.